Okay, so from the OLS login site, you'll type in your username and password for K-12, click login, and then you'll have the welcome screen. So over on the left, you'll have 3 tabs for My Schedule, Classes, and Announcements. You won't have anything listed in your schedule yet. That is where you will schedule your sessions. If you click on Classes, the second tab down, it should bring up some tabs. You won't have nearly as many as I do, but it should tell you the course and the semester. You can click on one of those and it will bring you into the content for that course. So sometimes it takes a second to load, but across the top you'll see the content and you can access the different units. Once you click on a unit, it'll bring up a list of the lessons. And you're able to click on any of these to access what the students would access. So for example, if you click practice, it'll bring up the different practice problems in math that the children are working on. You can click on that and it will show you the exact example that they'll be practicing. For some of the activities, there's an on-level and a supportive activity. The students have an option to click either of those. And it will simply ask them to do a task. They can select an answer, check their answer, and go on to the next problem. If you want to get back into a different unit or lesson, you can choose any of the links up across the top to take you back to either the table of contents or the initial unit list with all of the lessons in it. Hope that helps.